today I've come to the deepest in the woods in Jhargram. I mean, this is a one of the smallest village with around 12 or 13 houses. Just 12 to 13 houses are there. This is one of the houses with a big courtyard. Here is my bike, and this particular village is known as Khwab Gaon, or it's known as Lal Bazar locally. And here, you need to put across some money to the fund of the village so that you can take some photographs. Lovely painting done by the Academy of Fine Arts. And these are the kind of paintings which we also get in Naya or Pingla in Midnapur. This is also there, as I said, this is also there somewhere in a small village in Poland. So probably I feel across the world, a lot of things are almost the same. I could see few villages over here, very few, and these are how the houses look like. Very interesting, with a nice paintings all across the walls. Looks good. A couple of villages only, small houses. It's not yet a very well-known spot. It's a Sunday morning. It's a Sunday morning, and I have come in for a solo trip today, and this solo trip brings me to a place called Lal Bazar or Khwab Gaon, and where all the walls are painted beautifully. Looks excellent. Well, it's lush green across. It's pure greenery, and it looks awesome. And these are the houses. Just 13 families here by the both sides of this narrow stretch. And I was talking to a couple of villagers. What they said is that today they have lunch being organized by some of the NGOs near it. So this is how the village looks like. Very interesting. I'm really pleased. This is a tractor. Tractor ideally used it's an all-purpose vehicle in India. It takes everything. And lovely a cow shed. So I'm just getting inside. I met the village leader. I given him a little bit of money. He allowed me to get inside and take care of everything. Take care of the photos, the videos. It looks really awesome when I see this. Very interesting, and all across you can see is just greenery all across. Looks really good. This is another art. I think this is one of the best you can see. Such a fantastic art done by the Academy of Fine Art guys. I think they came down. They really did a great job coming down and painting the walls of this village and making it a place where someone can come down and just visit it, enjoy everything about the village. And this is probably a school or something like this, it seems like. So it looks like a school. This is one of the deepest woods that probably I had ever come, especially with my bike. It doesn't have any roads, and the last 5 kilometers you will not find any person over there. There's no human beings can be seen. And as I mentioned, that around 12-13 houses are there in this particular village known as the Khwab Gaon or the Lal Bazar. It's of special tribes called Lodhas. They stay here, and I was asking them as to what what's their occupation. They said that they get some work from the government and that's what they do. So an amazing place, nice trip on a Sunday. I enjoyed it.